Just unpacking my mini split, getting it ready to install. I'm super excited to put it upstairs to help keep it cooler up there. I looked at some other mini splits, but for the price and options, I picked this one. As you can see, it comes in two separate boxes. This box is the outdoor compressor, which can withstand very cold and very high heat, so that's good. And then it comes in a separate box, the indoor unit with all of the stuff that goes with the indoor unit as well. It is Energy Star efficient, which you can see here, and AHRI certified, which if you don't know, because I didn't know, means it certifies the performance of the equipment, so that's always a good plus. It will cover up to 1,250 square feet. And you can set the temperature and the unit will maintain that temperature, which helps save energy. This mini split offers 4 modes, which has a cooling, a dry, heating, and a fan. So I like those options as well. I'm also excited about the self-cleaning feature. It helps clean itself. And as you can see over here, it has removable filters, which you can just easily pop out and wash them. You can also vacuum them, but they're removable and washable, which I am super excited about. So I am going to get this installed and cool off my upstairs.
Just unboxed the COSTWAY 12000BTU mini split air conditioner and heater. Came in 2 different boxes on the same day. Both were packaged well, came quick via FedEx within a few days. The indoor unit, wall unit, you can see has a kind of modern, sleek design. I think it would probably blend well with most people's room decor. Most of the build quality feels solid, especially the compressor. Durable materials, and the unit doesn't appear to have any denting or damage in any way. On the mounting side of the wall unit, you can see from one of the pictures I took also, the bracket here feels a little flimsy, could be stronger from center to center. Also, you can see on the picture I took is 12 inches in this model, which I'm thinking about the typical US standard 16 on center, so you might have to do some reinforcement in terms of the mounting. So I'll think about that.
All right, so here is the COSTWAY mini split, AC and heat. Here are all the lines. Comes with both of them. This nice foam attached already, so you don't have to feed anything through. There's the power cable for the outside unit. The power from the inside to the outside. You got the drainage hose, your wall plate, your putty for this round tape for the lines. I already called up my AC guy and he said it's pretty straightforward. He came by today and looked at all the parts and he said it's going to be a super easy job. Everything came nicely packaged. This is the front of the outside unit and it is 115 volt. So really you can just wire in directly to the house. You don't have to really do anything, but I would just add a new breaker for this unit so it can be on its own independent circuit. But overall, everything came nicely packaged, so I'm ready to get this thing working inside the garage so I can start working on cars.
Okay, as requested, right now it's in air conditioning mode, and on the inside it's blowing, and not a darn thing's happening out here. And tested all the connections. We've got 120 volts to the leads, nothing coming through on the ground. Last night the fan was blowing, not real fast, and you could hear kind of a humming or buzzing sound. Nothing is shorting or touching anything else, so I checked that. I'm gonna take you inside and we'll see if it's still blowing, but it's certainly not obviously gonna be cold or anything. So it's blowing, but it's just room temperature, even though it's on AC and set on 61. And it was doing essentially the same thing for heat.
So this is my first look at the COSTWAY mini split. I just unboxed it. It comes with all the cabling, the wires. I'm gonna have a friend help me install it soon. It's the first 12,000 BTU unit I've seen under 500. So you can see that all the metrics and stuff here. Apparently it has self-cleaning and has a ton of features, you know, heating, cooling, drying apparently. So yeah, gonna get that installed. Looks pretty simple. The material looks high quality. Everything came, you know, sturdy. It shipped really well. So I'm just excited to put this up.
At drivetime.com, we've been hard at work. And we finally did.
Did you make it so I can finally see my real payments and shop at thousands of cars with no hit to my credit?
Wait. Yes! Shop for cars online with no credit hit!
There's a sliding thingy. I'm changing my own payments. I feel strong!
Go to drivetime.com, get approved, shop real cars, customize your real terms with no credit.
It's only one piece that it came. It's supposed to be two. This is one of two, and they just left only one box. I was wondering if how we can do that, or they still gonna deliver the fan, or I don't know what's going on, but I need to find out.
My favorite part of this is the easy to clean filters. Just got this cover up, and you can take these filters right out, put them in the sink, wash away all your dust and dirt, and you put it right back in.